Friends, my name is Asif and today we are discussing about a video that how you can get free cline. But before that starting, I haven't caught appeal to you that subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, Asif Gul official channel, and you have to subscribe it. And now we are discussing about how we can get a cline. Here is detail, a depot free test. And if we click on generate C line, it will always generate a line for us. Now this, you can see you have generated a line here, and this will work, or this C line will be expired on Saturday 23rd of March 2019 and 1 p.m. So basically this is a free line for one day, and you can get it every day. Once you write the line in your digital receiver, SIM receiver, or maybe GPRS is possible, but you have to write all these things. But once you order another line another day, you have to change these three words, just these three words. B19, it would be the other than B19, and you have to just add these three words and enjoy. So I think it's pretty healthy and pretty good. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and please help me in growing my channel. So for thanks for watching, and goodbye for now. See you later on with the next video with quite interesting and healthy video. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye, thanks.